In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the AutoCAD 2026 user interface, often referred to as the UI or user interface. It's important for beginners to get to know the user interface because, quite frankly, there's quite a lot of it and it can seem quite intimidating for new users. It's also important to know what all the parts are called so that when somebody else refers to them, you know exactly what they are talking about. Let's start by taking a look at the big red A on the left upper corner, and by clicking on it you will notice two columns. You have the left column, which show us a series of common tools like new, open, save as, and so on, and the right column, which can show different information, now showing recent documents. But if we go through the options on the left, we have different information, for example, like this import or export, showing the different formats we can use for the specific option. We can also go directly to options of the AutoCAD, or you can also exit the program, clicking here in this exit Autodesk AutoCAD. On the right of this button, we have this area known as the Quick Access Toolbar, where we have a lot of additional tools which we've seen already under the application menu. So we have new, open, save as, and more. Besides the ones that are shown, if we come to this down arrow, click on it, we can see a list, and the options that are ticked are the ones shown, and we can add other ones that are already inserted in this area, or we can choose from other commands and add them to this quick access toolbar. Going a little further to the right, we reach this area that it is called the title of the application and the drawing name. So we see here the path where this file it is saved. The file in question is called drawing1.dwg, and you have the path. The user chooses where to do it. To the right of the drawing title, there is an area called as the Info Center. This Info Center can be used for various things. For example, you can link to the Subscription Center. You can get messages from Autodesk. You can manage the account. You can link to application stores, to the application to applications from Autodesk Store, or this area again to get feedback and to connect to the community of Autodesk users. Also, we can access to the help system, and we have several possibilities. I would say the most important feature in this area, it is the one that allows us to write a command and search help for it. Okay, we have different sources from forums, product documentation, technical support, and so on, and more. If you click in the option you want, you'll get entries which allow you to click and see the topic you are searching for. A little further to the right, like uh, all Windows applications, AutoCAD has also three icons in the top right hand corner of the applications window, which allow us to minimize, to maximize or restore the application, and finally to close AutoCAD.